In this video tutorial, I'll show you how to easily turn off birthday notifications in the Facebook app. Be sure to watch to the end to avoid any mistakes, and let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Tap on the menu icon to go to Settings, then tap the gear icon to go to Settings and Privacy. Scroll down until you find the Settings section, and in this section tap on Notifications. Scroll down until you see Birthday and tap on it. You will now be on a page where you will see that you have birthday notifications turned on. To turn them off, just toggle the slider right here. Confirm the switch off. And that's it, you have disabled all birthday notifications. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click the like button. Thanks for watching.